Adding new channels on YouTube TV is quick and easy, and you can do it from your phone, computer, or even your smart TV. YouTube TV lets you expand your subscription by adding premium networks, add-ons, and special channel packages. Just follow these simple steps. First, open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or smart TV, or visit the YouTube TV website on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once you're in, go to your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings. From the menu, tap or click on Membership. This section shows your current plan and all available add-on channels. Here you'll find networks like HBO Max, Showtime, Sports Plus, 4K Plus, and many others. Now scroll through the list and look for the channel or package you want to add. When you find it, simply turn on the toggle switch or click Add next to the channel name. YouTube TV will show you the price, trial options, and billing details. Confirm your selection to activate the channel. That's it. The new channel will instantly appear in your Live tab and library. You can start watching right away, and the charge will be added to your next billing cycle.